Hi boys and girls. So this week we've been talking about birds. We've talked about a bird's beak, we've talked about their bodies, their wings, and their feet. Today we're going to be talking about another part of a bird. So with these birds you can see their beak, their wings, but what is this other part? Other animals have it too, but birds are feathers, just like the rest of their body. It is their tail. So some birds have a little tail. Some birds have a really big tail, like a peacock, with all their feathers that kind of parade behind them. Eagles have a long white tail. Blue jays have a long blue, black, and white striped tail. Ducks just have a little tiny tail. If you ever see ducks walk around, they have a little bit of a waddle that their tail kind of waddles. And then flamingos are just like ducks. They just have a little tail. This crane has a long tail. And these little robins have short little tails. It helps them fly when they're flying. Today, for our craft, we have our bird that you make a fancy tail for. For this craft, you can either cut your plate in half or fold it and glue it together. We just did, cutting it in half. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna color your plate however you want to, whatever color you want your bird to be. You're gonna cut out a beak for your bird. I rounded my beak and I gave him a little nose hole. I also made sure to have two pieces so that he has both parts of his beak. We gave him an eye. You have two eyes, so if you do both sides, you can have an eye on each side. We gave him a wing with two different colors, and we gave him a tail. We made his tail longer than his wing because some birds do have long tails. Me and Johanna were talking, and we said our bird kind of looks like a parakeet, which is actually a bird that you could have as a pet.